Otis is like, yeah, I don't want any photographic evidence when I put this puppy down. It's gonna be hard.
Oh, you're a good boy, Otis. Oh. You're a good boy.
Now it's wrestling time. We're going slow motion. Oh, ocean. Yeah, it's action time.
What's that move?
Alright, what do you think? A minute long movies or 1 minute 30 seconds?
Look at that. They love each other.
Otis was like, no, this isn't right. And I was like, yeah, okay, I can deal with it. We didn't film it in nastiness earlier. Grumpy old man.
You're a good boy, Otis. You are a very good boy.
I don't think anybody can